Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. Again, we're using the silica sand, medium grade. If you look, it's got some nice, it's more coarse, the sand is. This is silica sand, so it's kiln fired. So what I like to do, I'll open the bag, and I just go right across the driveway. See that? Right across the driveway. That's just the way I like to do it. Gonna do. And I'll push it down, push it down, push it down, push it down. You can see. Push it down, push it down, push it down. Push it down. The rule of thumb, what I've found out is 3 bags per 1,000 square feet. 3 bags of sand per 1,000 square feet. So I do this all the way down the driveway. So, and then what I do is we get it and you gotta pump it. Kind of pump your broom. Get all that off the top, and I'll show you the blowing. Pumping the sand. Now you're gonna get that heavy stuff off. And I see so many guys on here, you know, they're doing it, they're cleaning it off, cleaning it, cleaning it. What you want to be, I'm gonna show you. This area right here. You know, once you blow it, you're gonna be fine. So I see so many times on these videos, these guys doing polymeric and regular sand, and this is what they're doing. You're leaving it like that. Needs to be an 1/8 inch below the joint. Like this, more like that. And I'll show you another video once I'm done. But you can see a little damp in here, and that's what you're looking for. We'll be back. Tell everybody.